I just arrived at the job site, which is a colleague of mine that I met a few years back, and we are going to be taking down a couple of trees. Check it out. Got two trees right here we're going to be taking down. I do not like the way this is leaning. Got about maybe a 5-degree lean back towards this way, and the union there has all the branches that are leaning back this way. I put a rope right up here, tie it down to that tree right there, just to keep it going that way. All right, we're gonna try the Echo here. Trusty dusty Echo. Haven't had this one in a while. Love pulling out the big boy. Yeah, no, I was cutting it up anyway, so it, you know, whatever. Remember, I like to work harder, not smarter. That was an interesting one. Got caught up in the tree. I had to do a bunch of cuts to get it down. Worked out well though, because it had to be cut up anyways. And it finally went down, and you saw the, not really a close call, but you saw it. Anyways, I'm gonna clear all this brush out here, just dump it down there, and we're gonna tackle this tree that's right next to me here. Oh, first try, look at that. Bam! One of the best things you could have. And there it is. That's perfect. Look at that. This pull rope's good for about 7,000 pounds. It's more than enough to move the tree over. You're not pulling the whole weight of the tree. So I don't have a helper with me, so I'm going to be back and forth trying to get the crank on this tree. And I don't have a whole lot of escape if it starts to come towards me. I'm going to aim down there, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, I heard it. I heard it. There it comes. Woo! Oh yeah. That was awesome. Get out of the jungle. Wow, that worked out perfect. Oh man. That's how you do a one-man job. That was awesome. I went in too far on my front cut, almost 50%. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to be back here. That way when I came in with the back cut, I'd have enough room once I got to the hinge to put wedges in. And it didn't work out that way. You heard that one crack, or at least I did, and it just fell right over after I started cranking on it, and I could feel the tension loosen up on the come along and the rope. The cut was actually very good. Check it out. The hinge is like perfect, about an inch, inch and a half all the way across. Good fibers, and you know, the back cut here. So anywho, I'm really happy with that. Holy cow, that's crazy. So now all we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this up. He wants it all down in the hole in there. We're gonna continue on. We still have a couple of trees to do and some stump grinding, and we should be good to go.